अस्सलाम वालेकुम दोस्तों, कैसे हैं आप लोग। उम्मीद करता हूं कि आप लोग सब ठीक ठाक होंगे। दोस्तों, आज हम फॉर्मल एंड इनफॉर्मल वर्ड्स सीखेंगे। तो आइए शुरू करते हैं। वी हैव फर्स्ट वर्ड इन फॉर्मल, कम आफ्टर। इसका इनफॉर्मल होगा फॉलो। फॉर्मल चीप, इनफॉर्मल एक्सपेंसिव। लिंक अप, connect, bright or smart, intelligent, ask, inquire, keep, preserve, demand, request, bring in, introduce, come after, follow, call on, visit, expect, anticipate, also in, addition, wrong, incorrect, really big, considerable, speed up, accelerate, look up to, respect, at first, initially, tuck into, pursued, check, verify, anyways, nevertheless, adequate, sufficient, break down, fail or collapse, help, assist, make up, fabricate, call on, visit, make out, discern, a bit, a little, childish, immature, end, terminate, rake up, accumulate, explain, disclose, easy, facilitate, avoid, evade, call off, cancel, naked, nude, childish, immature, end, terminate, cheap, inexpensive, fork out, pay money, buy, purchase, get out, escape, so, therefore, go down, decrease, block, undermine, good for, beneficial, get out, escape, come in, enter, look for, seek, go after, pursue, young, youthful, go on, continue, hungry, famished, free, liberate, get by, survive, give, donate, good, positive, fight, combat, maybe, perhaps, fall out, quarrel, iron out, overcome, okay, acceptable, look like, resemble, lit, allow, dead, father, coincide, agree, danger, peril, go up, increase, can, is capable of, deal with, manage, danger, peril, also, additionally, colloquialism, slang, put off, postpone, book, reserve, give, donate, can, is capable of, deal with, manage, good looking, attractive, start or begin, comments, free, liberate, take out, remove, dirty or polluted, contaminated, use or eat, consume, give up, quiet, complex, convoluted, death, demise, made, insane, give, provide, come up to, reach or attain, get, receive, stop, seize, find out, learn or discover, a bit, a little, go before, precede, beat up, assault, attainment, achievement, show, demonstrate, funny, humorous or amusing, blow up, explode, choice, option, imagine, envisage, a lot of, numerous, choose, select, categorize, classify, give out, distribute, kidding, jesting, break down, fail or collapse, available, accessible. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please don't forget subscribe button. God bless you.